CarPlay box of Binize. Connect the box to the car with a USB cable. Now it works. Connect Bluetooth to enjoy the happiness of CarPlay. Connected successfully. You can make a call whenever you want. Or to use the navigation to go anywhere you want. You can also enjoy pleasant music while you are driving. Long press here to activate the split screen function. You can design wallpaper in your own style. So cool of the split screen function. Click Car to return the original system. It's also suitable for mobile phone with Android system. You can enjoy the navigation, the music, and also can make a call to anyone you want. Now let's test the mirror connection function. Please make sure your car and phone in the same network environment. Click Screen Mirroring to complete the connection. Now it's successful. You can use navigation and listen to music while mirror connection. Also, you can make a call through it. The mirror function supports not only Android phone but also Apple phone. It can also support landscape projection for easy using. And supports to use car screen to control mobile phone.